Hey guys, good evening. What is up? So, I just got the call. Gotta turn off the lights in the house. I just got the call from the driver. My car is showing up in about 30 minutes. So I've got to find a ride to get down to Walmart and get set up because my car's coming. So this now begins the actual hard part of trying to find a ride because I didn't know when the car was going to get here. I have not prearranged a ride, and most of the people I know either no longer live in town or aren't responding. So hopefully I find something quick because we got to get down there. Here we go. Here's my ride. My Uber's here. It's my sister coming in clutch. Oh, hey there.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Oh, not much. Alright, we've made it to Walmart. We are looking for our guy, but it looks like we may have just beat him. Which, Molly Spring? Oh no! Wait, is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, I think that's it right there. I thought it was a white truck though. That looks like a Mustang. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's our guys! Oh, we're probably gonna miss the startup though. Oh, wow, it's windier here than it is at home, I think. Do we need a run? Do we need a hustle? As he delicately tries to get inside. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, I know. I don't know, maybe. It's gonna be like $1,000 though. Well, they're different. Performance pack. The rear wheels are bigger than the front wheels. Yeah. So, thank you.
Make a few pictures.
All right, guys.
Light on the ground?
Yeah, it's got a puddle light.
Hey, you want a picture in your car real quick?
Sure. Go ahead, give me a picture. All right, guys. So we've got it home. I didn't take any footage, obviously, while driving because, manual. I need to get used to this. And, we need to get used to the manual. But we made it home in one piece. And we didn't stall it out while getting it home. So that's all good. That makes me feel nice. Though, I'm not entirely confident that I did not burn the clutch. So, things to do, things to work on, things to learn. But it's good. Summer's the real hero. Making sure we got here safe. Getting me there to pick it up. Thank you.
There you are, yep. I was gonna say, Josh, you'll be there in the morning.
Yeah,
hey.
no, it will. So, just stare at it right now.
No, dude, it looks sweet. I'm excited to see it in daylight.
Yep,
It'll look good.
it'll be great. Gotta get it cleaned up though.
Yeah, it just needs cleaning, but I think that scratch on the front should probably buff out though.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. But there she is. There we go.
Nice, dude.
All right.
Nice,
See ya. All right, so we've got the car home. The drive went well, pickup went well. So we got all that done. And you know what? I haven't eaten yet. It is 7:30, which means my body still pretty much thinks it's 8:30, and I haven't eaten yet. So we're gonna have some food, call it a night. See you later, guys.